What happened?
It ain't doing shit.
Oh, your lights went. Oh,
Oh, that's the resistance.
something that connected it right.
That's some whole shit. Just trying to get my lights to fucking blink. That's it. I don't ask for much.
So you don't ask so much.
You know,
That's when your stuff to work and you try to make it work.
yeah. All this bullshit working except for this fucking thing.
Did it work?
No.
You probably got something hooked up wrong, but you blew something or unplugged something. What?
I wanna
Try
know-
unplugging
I
what you
wanna
just
see how I can
you
slow
just
this
did.
down. It's gotta be. It's gotta be.
You hear me? Try unplugging what you just did. And before it stopped working.
Yeah, but I never figured out how to exactly do the blinkers.
Are you trying to do the series or the circuit? The series or the parallel.
I guess the series.
All right. Now I'm finna try to put this circuit together for my turning signal. Turn signal circuit. Okay.
Fuck this bullshit.
Don't get frustrated now. Don't get frustrated. Alright, so
There went.
black.
It did.
This
So
ground.
that's how it is. Okay. So
So
that's
you
in
gotta you put the
series.
ground.
So I made this ground wire run across this resistor.
Black.
So this is my main ground. So I'm putting ground at this resistor, and it's gonna change.
It takes some of that power out.
Yeah, it's gonna make it harder for that voltage to move through here, and then but it's conductive.
And then.
But it's conductive, so it will still bring that ground across. So it's just bringing that ground across slowly. So that's how you put it in series. Okay.
You use to the ground.
Yeah, you have to. I don't know why it's such a corner concept. You have to break the second.
I see how we did because it opened right here.
Yeah.
It's just like it's
I
still connected.
Yeah, so instead of it being the one wire, because you can't have one thing on one side and not on the other side,
round.
because it don't work like that. And when you have,
Now we put this ground into this light, then
you don't do nothing to this light. But if I took this light and I ran it, let me change that. Like this?
it did both of them.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, we figured
You
it out.
figured it out. There you go. That's pretty cool. I bet that one looks awesome.
So, right.
Pretty cool.
It is cool.
This one's like an LED.
It's a brighter light.
You can make it high and low. I'll show for you. Put down the switch down here.
Yeah, he was going to flash you over there. But on this series, we can hook up. Like I just have to do individually hook up this stuff. If I was to put the flash or flash.
Battery voltage. Maybe ground.
See. I run this signal to this switch. It's got power coming. I'm not touching this, so I guess it's going. It's already on this switch.
Well, that's to turn it on and off. So,
Alright, dumb question, but the pad is the battery,
so
right?
we'll.
You just gonna surround power.
That's what I thought. But fuck, it just shouldn't work.
To make this.
It's gotta get this power from this
This is the ground.
switch.
From the
So
ground.
it's not gonna work on the second, probably unless we move it to the ground side. Take away its ground.
Okay.
And it will stay on all the time. We leave it up until flashlight on. I think so we could take.
These two spots here. These go here. Okay.
If you want to put it up. Yeah.
Okay. I fix with it. One.
You always gonna take yourself apart and see if you can make the flash work?
I was trying to make the flashes work, twisted it. I don't know if we can handle it. Let's have a switch on. But I know if we take,
Okay, I'll probably change it. Simple.
No.
What you got going on? Them the signals?
Yeah,
I say we
cooking.
make the white flash.
You has a light tonight. Okay, that's what's up.
I still ain't figured it out, like how to
Switch has to have.
back and forth.
And we're gonna make a switch. This switch has to have.
Right.
That's a switch power to there. This one's to sewer water.
This would be some serious backlash. Yeah, I'm surprised we went going crazy.
Alright, so now we need to make that switch. So we want to switch the power. Just be like a key on power, so we can take and move this jump. We just get another switch on. And now, this does not work until I turn this on.
Mike her the instructor.
oh yeah, she's cold for sure.
So now add this in on this circuit.
I would ask y'all if I could help you, but obviously, y'all don't need my help. Y'all got Leanna in here. She's taking care of it.
Yeah. Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's right. I don't have patience when it comes to electrical stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fun time. I just look at it like it's one big puzzle.
We turn it off.
It sound like puzzles and stuff.
I mean, this is on like this.
I had, in one of my earlier classes, they decided they were gonna hook up, you could hook up everything on that light board over there and make it work. They never could get it to work. They worked on it for 2 solid weeks, trying to get everything hooked up and work on that light board, they never could.
it's hard to show everything on top of each other.
I know, that's the
It's
thing.
gotta be in series to make, to cut the power off of the switches.
You're right, it does. Thanks, Doctor.
If I was making,
Okay.
what should we do?
Damn,
Should we
killed
make this switch be for this, but this also?
What'd you do, blow the machine up?
Yeah, I think so.
Would you quit tearing up my machine there, man? Come on. Dang.
He added.
No.
You want me to add it in on this switch, or?
What you trying to do?
Run all the time when this.
I was trying to,
So we can.
because I figured out how to make the signals on,
Okay.
but I can't figure out how to alternate them. Or if I even can do it with the switch.
It clicks
I
all the
don't think I
time.
can.
So we can add this to click all the time.
That's an on and off switch. That's it. It's on or it's off.
Well, I couldn't figure that
So if you
either.
turn it on, it's only gonna do one light. You see what I'm saying?
Mhm.
Because it's an on and off switch. I don't think there's a series switch. Now this switch, no, that's an on and off switch. That one is a push button switch, that's gonna be on and off. I don't think there is a switch so you can make them work individually. You can make them both work, but I don't think you can make them work
We
individually.
had to individually do all that ground.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can't make them both work individually.
You could run this one.
The first one I did, so.
This one. One, two.
They kind of stand up.
On this one's ground, on top of this one. It's gonna work the same, it's still the same amount of wires, it's just not using, that would be not having as many holes in it,
Yeah.
pretty much. It's kind of what they wanna call it.
Yeah, can I still look? Can I look this light to this light? Or would I have to do
But
it
it
separate?
won't have a high plug. Common ground. You could switch you a. Here, using power from the battery, you switch power. And you give me see, low side would be hot,
Yeah.
and you hit the button, it'll be high. Turn it on. This one flashes 4, 5,
Ah, that's dope.
and it's because I used the power that this light was getting from here.
You took this one on top.
So this is the main power. This is the main power for this switch. That's why it blinks.
And you ran it off with a light.
Because the power to the light is blinking power. Now if I took that power and I ran it from like here,
Like
it's just gonna run straight. But because I used the clicking power, it's just it will click and you hit the button, it will be like turning the lights on.
I done got a whole car system over here. Yeah, this one is cool though. It's cool. I play with it though. This one's for real.
Alright, you got everything.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah.
Okay, her family is full of mechanics.
Alright, so you got it with the switch?
Huh?
You got it with the switch?
Yeah. Watch this though. With the switch. And Like it go bright.
I hate with you.
That shit called.
You only got one mic.
Huh?
This one.
You can hook all this stuff up. You just gotta make sure you got the right ground.
Okay. Ground.
And these down here are
One.
base switches and power buttons, so you don't have to have a ground and a power on it. That's how she ran it to
I don't know
control.
why that's like that.
So this only number cut it off and on.
So if you had two of these on, you would have this.
It depends on what I want to hook up to. Do I want to hook up to the blinker, or do I just want to just straight power on the switch? Because all my power is coming from this switch. It's the main source. From this switch, this right here connects to these two lights. And it goes to the wheel, and this light is running off of this light.
Okay, I got you.
They'll try to hook up another light. Well, I'm gonna keep it flashing. Here, power.
With the battery at though.
Here. There you go. Connecting it to here. Got them all working now. What is on the switch? I can make one of them brighter. I'm finna start doing electrical wiring on the cars.
Don't. Please don't. Okay, let's not
Reprocessing batteries.
let's not get ahead of ourselves, buddy.
Okay.
No.
I'm gonna go rewire somebody else.
Oh, hell no.
It's always that one student that gets something right one time out of 10, and all of a sudden they're an expert.
No, fuck that.
I think I got everything
If
connected.
I want to, I can add a little resistance in here. If easy.
How do I know? How will you know? Oh, it's a power button. How about that? Battery.
Ooh, where the buzzer is?
Right. Oh, snap. Okay. I ain't hooking no high beam. So, yeah, y'all see? I just did the right turn signal. Left. Front. Back. Front. Back.
Everything connected.
These represent the headlights.
Power, you can hook everything up to the make it clean.
What is it? Parking lights or whatever. Parking lights, brake lights.
Oh, yeah, you got
So I just did. Anybody just want to turn signal over here?
He got a bomb going.
Oh yeah, Mr. Expert, come on, hook this and do this.
I'm calling it this. What you trying to get to work though?
Oh, I got it done. I done did it. You gotta make sure
whole
when you finish, you got to be able to do this.
Going on. We ain't gonna plug this shit.
I If I follow the diagram, I guess.
I mean, long as you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find a cowboy one day. Well, yeah, I did it.
You ain't making multi-function though.
First of all, this we doing? That's what. Did you just say that? You ain't making multi-function though.
I made all my functions work.
You by yourself made all your functions work.
No.
By yourself,
I needed training first.
right? So you gonna let me be on my level?
This is a good like way to learn to do this. I wish I had known this then.
Right. Dude just gave us them boxes and said, "Have at it."
Yeah, cause you don't know what he's doing.
But yeah, just follow the diagram in here and but let me turn this off. You finna restart all the way from the beginning. You can just have fun.
This shit was funny.
I can't. You boys, y'all is hilarious. Y'all gonna just have fun.
I swear to God,
I ain't following not nail instructions.
That's how you learn fucking up. That's what's
Anyway.
wrong with me.
I just did that, dog. Yeah.